Okay, so I thought Apachito was taking a nap. Pensé que estaba durmiendo.
Hey, what did he do?
And then Apachito, instead of taking a nap,
What is that?
his nap. I thought he was napping.
What the hell did he get to? A pepper?
Those are the habanero peppers.
Oh, he loves those things.
Those are habanero peppers.
I wanted to make salsa
These
out
are all
of
kinds
those
of
habaneros.
mangoes and all kinds of
He
things.
loves-
That was full of trash.
And he got all
He
the
was just
mango
throwing it.
skins and
You!
What did you
Look
do?
what you did. Look what you did. You made a mess. Look at the mess you made.
What did
Look
you
at his
do?
beak.
What did you
Look at his
do?
beak.
Pow pow Apache.
I would not touch his beak for a little while.
Oh, he kissed me. This morning he was eating those peppers, so he came to kiss me.
What
All
happened
this was
to
great.
that,
Yeah,
Apache?
yeah.
You know,
¿Qué
he goes
hiciste?
to-
Mira,
Yeah.
mira qué hiciste.
So I looked it up, by the way. He's going through bird puberty.
No.
So that's why he's so crazy right now.
And look at what you did.
He's horny.
Mira, ha tirado todo eso.
Oh, you're so horny.
Look at what you did.
Oops, Apache is so horny.
Apachito has thrown everything over. You.
I'll clean it.
Yeah,
You. Look what you did.
you take charge of your mess.
Oh my god,